Hey guys, welcome. In this video, we're gonna look how we can take a Shopify store and make it fit to Arabic stores. That includes RTL direction, so the punctuation is in the right place, and all the titles are from right to left. Include the translations of all the theme and adjusting the currency to the right currency and everything we need to do. So we're going to use the RTL Master app. You can get it from the Shopify App Store. Let's look at it and just type RTL and going to RTL Master. You will need to install it if you don't have it yet. And we'll go by the setup guide one by one. So let's start with setuping the RTL. We need to choose our theme. Let's look first at our theme, how we can know what theme are we using. We're using the Shopify default, which is Horizon, but it can be any other theme. You can look here if the name here doesn't include a name, because sometimes it can be changed. You can click here and you will see the exact real name of your original theme. So in this case, we are using Horizon. So let's check it from the list and save. Great. And let's go back to the setup guide. And the next thing we need to do is to open the theme customizer and toggle the RTL Master app in the theme. So we chose the theme in the app, and now we're going to the theme customizer. You can just simply use this link, and it will toggle it automatically, and you can save. So if you look now, you can already see that the punctuations are in the right place, and most of the titles have already moved from right to left. So that's the first part of the RTL process, and we can mark it as done as we finished it. Now the second part is the translation. So we, as you can see, we already added some Arabic text, but the text that we didn't add, the one that already exists in the scene, like this and this, or the search, is still in English. So let's adjust it so it in Arabic. Now in the translation page, based on our theme, we choose the theme we want to translate to. So in this case, we chose Horizon, which is our theme. So we're gonna wait a few minutes and let the app translate that. Since we are moving one by one, it might take a few minutes. So you can go back to the dashboard and do anything else in your store and come back. All right, so we got back to the translation page. We can see that the translation process has been finished, and we see here a small tutorial on how to choose the default language of your store. So I'm gonna click on the button and make sure that Arabic in our case is assigned to our domain. So you can see that Arabic is published. If it's not, simply publish it from here and assign to the domain. So make sure it is assigned to the to your store. And now you can preview it, and let's see that also all the small texts that are part of the theme has been translated. You can see, for example, here the newsletter, what used to be add to cart, and by now is all now translated to Arabic. So we've done pretty much most of the things. Let's go through a few more small things that you can do with the app, or even without the app. One thing that needed to be done that cannot be done with the app, but can be done pretty easily manually, is changing the currency. So you can go to the settings, that's in general, and at the moment we are in USD, but yeah, let's say we want to change it to Saudi Real, so we can change it from here. And if later we want to change the formatting so it doesn't look like this, we can do it easily from the general settings. Then if we go back to RTL Master, let's just mark our list changes since we finished translating. We can see also, by the way, that this process already made the checkout RTL as well. So all the checkout is translated and from right to left. So yeah, we're pretty much done. We can now do a few more things like choose a font or translate the notifications. We're not gonna go through it now, but it's super simple. You can just set up it to whatever font you like, and start the changes, and similar with notifications. You can translate the notifications that are being sent. So those are all the notifications that you have in Shopify. You can just choose whatever you want and copy the RTL Arabic version and paste it in the settings. So this is it for the basic setup of RTL Master. As you can see, the website is fully RTL and fully in Arabic. And that's all it took from us, just installing the app and following the instruction. Thanks for tuning to the tutorial. If you're interested in the more advanced part of RTL Master, which is full translation and RTL and LTR, we will do another tutorial that's speaking about that. That will allow you to have multilingual websites. So you can have your website both in English and Arabic, and you can subscribe to our international plan if you want to translate everything. So that means your blog post, your products, you can choose them and translate it to English or translate it to Arabic. So you don't have to rewrite any product or any blog or anything twice. With one click, you can translate everything. So if you want to do it all by yourself, just look for RTL Master in your Shopify admin or in the App Store, install it, and get your store ready for Arabic today.